Hi everyone, this is Galen Martling. Today I have a tag style card. It is a friendship card and it has soft florals and soft stamping. It's really pretty and I wanted to go for this look. It is similar to the look of embossing or heat embossing, but there's no embossing. So from Unity, I have the stamp called Happiness and Wildflowers. And also I'm using the dies in the set called Make a Tag die set. I'm using the original Misty to stamp the florals. So I pre-cut the tag dies using a die cutting machine, and I just go ahead and place the top tag on that's white into the Misty and stamp it with a light ink, like a craft ink or something similar. It doesn't have to be, you're not going to see this exact color at the end, but it is a guide to know where to color. So I just used craft. And then I just go ahead and fasten that tag layer down with some repositionable tape or washi tape. I use sticky note tape. And I'm also going to color in those flowers with softer colors of pinkish lavender shades. I listed the Copic marker colors here and on my blog, but you don't have to use Copics. You can use anything that you already have for coloring, even color pencils. Just if you're going for the soft look, stick with light muted colors. Maybe darker in the center areas or accent areas and lighter in other areas. So I think I used 2 or 3 different colors of this pinkish lavender or violet shade. And I just alternated those petals in different colors. This is a little stamp, but it has lots of detailed areas for color. So you can just make it all one. It's fine. But I wanted to just have a darker shade in the middle and highlight other shades in lighter colors. And so I just did this over and over. And I'm not really going to add any other colors except for to the leaves and to the petals. I picked 2 greens, 2 I think, and then I go ahead and just dab the darker color for accent and then highlight it with the lighter greens. And so when you're finished with the stamping, you want to go ahead and, first of all, between the stamping, you want to leave your tag set in the same spot inside the Misty, and also your stamp in the same spot inside the Misty, because we're going to restamp this. Now I'm restamping it in white pigment ink. And you go ahead, and I did the stamping twice on this. So since the stamping and the paper was in the same spot, I can restamp and everything will line up perfectly with this Misty tool. So I stamped it over that craft stamping, and I stamped it in white 2 different times, and you can see how soft it is. Even the sentiment, it shows up nicely, but it's soft. It's not dark, and it really gives a beautiful white layer to the stamping and the coloring. So you stamp first, then you color, and then you stamp again with the white. Very simple, as long as you keep the positioning the same for the stamp and the paper. Now to finish this, I'm just going to add a hole punch using a crocodile tool. I made a little mistake with ink, so I used a little jelly roll pen in white to sort of cover up that mistake. Then I go ahead and add the die cut fastener there for the hole punch and add some twine, some cording. I used some tan cording, and then just fasten that right onto the top layer of the tag. I add foam tape because I want this top layer to pop up, and I put that right on that gold layer. These can be any shade you like. I just thought the gold would just accent that lavender. And so you just go ahead and use some flat double-sided tape for the back of that gold layer to fasten it right onto the card card base. I used color cardstock for a card base and added a few little adhesive pearls to finish. And there you go. It's all ready for greeting card sending. Thanks so much for watching. Please take a moment to subscribe and have a great day.